A very, very happy morning to you, my dear students. Now that we have finished the portion, what we are going to do next is a quick revision. But how are we going to revise? We are going to do the revision this time as per the model question paper. So, as per the questions which are going to come, the model question paper is been prepared and we are going to do revision accordingly. So for value education standard 4, today we are doing model question paper. But before we start with that, let's be clear on the syllabus. So what is the syllabus for value education, children? You all know it. It is lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you are having 6 lessons for the examination, first semester exam. And what are the kind of different questions that Miss is going to ask? Yes. First one is match the following. How to do it? That I will discuss and let you know right now. But first, let's see all the different types of questions. Second question. State whether the following actions are good or bad. Yes. So you have to read and write. This is good or this is bad. Next one, answer the following questions. You will read and answer the question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words, and the words are given in the help box. You will select the correct one and write. And last, which we have been doing after all the value education lessons, what is that? Write your commitment that as a student, what I decide to do, what is my promise, what is my commitment for that given value. Okay, so now let's do the revision as per the model paper. But children, as you practice to write your examination paper, there are certain things you have to keep in mind. Don't forget the date and your name because you're sending it to teacher. She should know the name of the student who has written the paper. And whatever you write, write it clear, neat, and in such handwriting that Miss is able to read it. Okay. Then if you wish to write it in a separate supplementary sheet, then you can read the question paper which I am sending, read the question and then write the answers in the supplementary sheet. Put the question number, answer. Question number, answer. Okay. Or if you wish to copy the question, question, answer. But I would suggest you take a printout of this question paper because Miss has left enough space for all of you to write the answer in the paper itself. So that would save a lot of time and you don't have to take the trouble of writing the questions. So if possible, take a printout of the question paper that I'm sending you and write the answers in that paper itself. Okay, students? So, but name, whether supplementary or whether it is the printout paper, name, class, division, date, subject on every page, very important. Don't forget. And once you finish your paper, click a snap or as you have done in your formative exam, your first periodical exam, or you send the PDF to the teacher and it should be done on the same day before evening, that is by 8 p.m. Don't be late. Don't send it at 9 and 10 and 11 late night. No, by 8 p.m. So first question, match the actions. So in first A column, we have the action. B column, we have the values. So which action portrays which value you will match. I give needy people on my birthday. So you're giving something. So what is it? Okay, you are showing you have lot and you're giving it to someone. You are showing thankfulness, an attitude of gratitude. So you will put B. And always keep calm and use my mind and ward off danger. Any danger, I don't panic, I don't get scared, I don't get tensed up. I think and I use my brain and I solve the problem. That is wisdom. Okay, so you have the action, you have the value, you have to match it. Next, question B, state whether the following actions are good or bad. So first one, I fool my friend and eat his ice cream. Is it a good action? So you will write the answer. So if it is bad, you will write like this, bad. So when you take the printout, you have the space over there, you write the answer, your paper is done. Okay. And next one, I take care of my family members when they are sick. That's a good action. So you write good. So that is how you attempt this question. Question C, answer the following questions. Let's read all the three questions. First one, do you think Nishant was right in saying girls can't play cricket? Is he right? Next, why is Ali different from other children? Third one, in the story Monkey and the Crocodile, who had the best presence of mind, monkey or crocodile? So how will you write these answers? You have to write in a very neat handwriting and put full stop when you finish. So you have the answers written here. No, Nishant was not right in saying that girls can't play cricket. Full stop. So begin with capital letter, write it in complete sentences and put a full stop. So these notes have been sent, I have sent it to you. I hope you all have written it in your notebook and do learn that for the exam. Question D, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Okay. We should identify ways to dash the underprivileged. Okay. So what should you do to the people who are less blessed? They have less things or money, they are poor. What will you do? Help. Okay, so you pick up the appropriate word and write. The same with the second one, problem solving in day-to-day life requires. If you want to solve any problem, what do you require? Knowledge. So pick the appropriate word and fill in the blank. Last question for you is write your commitment for the given value. So first value is you have to write two commitment for which value? Value of modesty. Humble. And what is that? You should not boss around that I have servants, I have maid, they will keep my things in my place. I will just use and leave it wherever I feel. That is not being humble. Okay. So modesty is where you think I will keep my things in place. So that is your commitment. I will help people. Yes, that is your commitment of being modest. Okay, so as per the value, you have to write your two commitment. The second value I have put for revision is the value of empathy. And we have learned empathy means you're feeling the pain of others. उसको कैसे लगता होगा ऐसे आप समझ के उसको help करोगे. So what will you do if you sense somebody is in difficulty, in pain? What can you do? You will not shout at that person. I will speak softly to everybody. Why? Because I understand that if I shout and speak, the other person will feel very bad and he will feel very left out. So I will speak softly to everybody. And children, there's a mistake in the spelling. But when you write the paper, make sure no mistakes happen. Okay. So B-O-D-Y, not B-O-A-D-Y. So that's a small correction. And next, one more, you have to write two commitment. I will always explain things patiently. I will not get angry, shout. If someone asks me some help again and again, I will be very patient. So this is how you will write your commitment for the values. So students, I hope you have understood how you have to prepare yourself for your value education exam. So please do the revision properly. Happy learning. God bless you all.